The photography world is on the edge of a major leap forward, as Leica, known for their premium craftsmanship, is rumored to be gearing up for the launch of the Leica Q4. This new addition to the long-revered Q series could be set to revolutionize the compact camera market. Street photographers, enthusiasts, and professionals alike may soon find themselves with an upgraded, more powerful tool that blends legacy and innovation. Since the debut of the original Leica Q in 2015, the Q series has carved a niche for itself, offering remarkable image quality in a compact, fixed-lens design. With its 28mm Summilux lens and full-frame sensor, the Leica Q became a favorite, especially among street photographers who valued discretion and speed without sacrificing quality. By offering this red dot experience to a wider audience, Leica's Q series remained faithful to their high standards. In 2019, the Q2 raised the bar with a significant bump in resolution, 47.3 megapixels, while improving weather sealing and autofocus performance, marking the Q series as a professional-grade tool. Then, in 2023, the Q3 added a new processor, enhanced ergonomics, and the introduction of a tilting touchscreen, further modernizing the design. Now, with the Leica Q4 on the horizon, many are wondering what changes Leica has in store. The Q4 is expected to be far more than just a minor upgrade. Rumors hint at innovations that could make this new model a true game changer, both in terms of functionality and performance. Sensor and processing power, at the core of the Leica Q4, is a rumored 60-megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor, inherited from the Leica M11. However, Leica is known for fine-tuning sensors to suit the unique needs of each model. For the Q4, we can expect better high ISO performance, faster readout speeds, and enhanced dynamic range, making it an even more capable tool for low-light situations and fast-paced photography. Processing power is just as critical when handling such massive image files. The Leica Q4 is expected to be equipped with the next-generation Maestro image processor, designed to manage larger data throughput. This would not only improve image preview times, but also increase continuous shooting speeds, making it ideal for street photography and action shots. With an upgraded buffer system, the Q4 should be faster and more responsive than its predecessors, offering an impressive edge for professional work. Revolutionary lens and autofocus no Leica Q series camera would be complete without its iconic lens. The Q4 is likely to retain the beloved 28mm f1.7 Summilux ASPH lens, a key part of the Q's DNA. While the focal length and aperture will likely remain the same, expect optical enhancements such as improved coatings that help with flare resistance, and better micro-contrast, resulting in sharper, more vibrant images. One of the most anticipated improvements in the Q4 is the autofocus system. The Q3 introduced a contrast detection system, but it was still lagging behind when it came to tracking fast-moving subjects. Leica may now be incorporating a hybrid autofocus system, combining both phase detection and contrast detection technologies, delivering faster, more reliable focusing, even on moving subjects. This would be a major upgrade for street photographers and those who capture sports and fast-paced action. In-body image stabilization and video features. Another transformative rumor surrounding the Leica Q4 is the introduction of in-body image stabilization. Past models required steady hands or fast shutter speeds, particularly in low-light conditions. By incorporating 5-axis IBIS, the Q4 would allow for sharper handheld shots at slower shutter speeds, improving versatility across various shooting scenarios. But the upgrades don't stop there. The Leica Q4 is rumored to embrace serious videography features. This may include support for 8K video at 24 FPS and 4K video at 60 FPS. For filmmakers and hybrid shooters, this is a substantial step forward, allowing for greater creative flexibility. With the addition of a refined Leica Cine Look color profile, it would also offer better grading options in post-production, making it a versatile tool for both photographers and videographers. New display, connectivity, and storage, the electronic viewfinder is another area where Leica is expected to step up its game. Rumors suggest a 6 million pixel OLED EVF with improved refresh rates, delivering a more immersive and responsive shooting experience. Along with this, the rear LCD may undergo a significant update, transitioning from the tilting design of the Q3 to a fully articulating 3.5-inch touchscreen, ideal for vlogging and creative shooting angles. Leica also plans to modernize the connectivity features of the Q4, potentially including Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, USB-C, and HDMI output. These updates would provide faster and more reliable ways to transfer files, connect accessories, and remotely control the camera. Additionally, storage could see a major upgrade with the inclusion of an internal 1TB SSD alongside dual SD card slots. This would provide photographers with flexible, efficient workflows, eliminating the need for multiple memory cards. Battery life, traditionally a pain point for compact cameras, could also see improvement. A new lithium-ion battery may push the Q4's endurance to around 600 shots per charge, nearly double that of the Q3. Paired with enhanced weather sealing and a potential IP53 rating, this new Leica could become far more resilient in demanding environments. Price and release as exciting as these rumors are, all these upgrades will come at a cost. The Q3 currently retails for around $6,000, so the Q4 is likely to be priced higher, with a starting range between $6,500 and $7,500. Special editions and titanium builds could push the price beyond $8,000, making it a significant investment for anyone looking to step up their photography game. Given Leica's historical release cycle of a new Q model every 4 years, 2015 for the original, 2019 for the Q2, and 2023 for the Q3, the Q4 could be expected in 2027, with teaser announcements possibly arriving as early as late 2026. While Leica is known for its meticulous development process, rising competition from brands like Sony and Fujifilm may urge the company to accelerate their timeline. Although a 2025 release seems unlikely, an early 2026 launch could be on the cards. Conclusion: the Leica Q4 isn't just about new specs. It represents the culmination of years of craftsmanship and innovation. If all these upgrades come to fruition, the Q4 could set a new benchmark in the premium compact camera market. For photographers and videographers looking for versatility, cutting-edge technology, and timeless Leica quality, the Q4 could be the camera of their dreams.